Hi, I'm Lulu. Today I'll introduce this bonus forged lightweight plus wheel spacers for Mercedes Benz W221. Safety is the most important thing of wheel spacers. Some owners might be worried about the vibration of installing wheel spacers. Actually, wheel spacers are just automobile accessories that are installed between the wheel and the hub. If you choose the accurate hub-centric wheel spacers and install them properly, they are safe. Bonus wheel spacers for W221 are made of high-grade 7075 T6 aluminum alloy, formed by withstanding continuous strong pressure that improves the strength of the wheel spacers. With 0.02 mm CNC machining, ensure the accuracy of wheel spacers, making it more closely to the wheel hub. This special hub-centric wheel spacers is designed for Mercedes Benz front wheel hub. Thanks for watching. If you want to buy these special hub-centric wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.